Hey guys, I'm Lina. Welcome to Fashion Fab News. Today I'm here in COCOMELODY and I'm gonna try some wedding dresses, bridesmaid dresses. I'm not getting married, but I really wanna try these dresses and show you all the options that this store has. They have stores around the world and you can find all the styles online. COCOMELODY.com, and I'm gonna leave all the information below. But for now, let's see how I look with these wedding dresses. So stay tuned.
Hi, welcome to COCOMELODY. How are you?
Hi.
Look, I don't know if I get married, I don't know what kind of dress I want. But like there are so many options here. I like this one, this style. Like I prefer like the mermaid, more like princess like dresses. But I don't know. Let's see what they have in here. And I'll let you know which one I like.
These are more of our A-line silhouettes. And they give a little more of a nice float if in case you don't want to do mermaid, which we have over here. We have our mermaid and fitted styles.
How many colors do you have or does?
It depends. This one you can do all ivory instead of doing, this is like a gray champagne. You can do an ivory champagne, you can do an ivory on top of ivory, and this one as well. And for the unconventional brides, they like black.
We also have a swatch book of colors that you can choose from. We have it up there. So that way, you know, some brides want a different color instead of like the traditional white, champagne. Sometimes they go pink, blue, they go purple, they go crazy with the colors.
But right here in this store, how many styles do you have?
Around 80 styles?
Yeah, around 80 styles.
60 to 80. Based
Yeah,
from
sometimes we have like two of the same
dresses for
sizes.
sizing.
That's nice. Well, let's start. I want to
Okay,
just try some dresses.
Let's try on some. We have some in the fitting room already for you. That's a nice fitted mermaid that you can change the colors of the lining in. Has a beautiful train attached to it.
I like this part.
Like it?
Yeah, has a little bit of curls. So you want to go blingy on your wedding. And this one.
Strange to see myself wearing this dress.
It's weird.
The train is really nice.
Grab a veil to add to it. How do you feel in this one?
I like it.
Yeah?
The thing is like very secure.
With the bra strap inside? That looks good.
beautiful. I love this detail, and the train is so long. What if we try like another dress and more option?
Let's do it.
Let's try the next one.
Let's get into the next one.
What do you walk with?
So dresses,
right?
Yeah, standard size. They make it for like around, it's like 6 foot people, like really long. So you'd have to have it altered.
Yeah, I'm short.
Yeah.
I'm short.
How tall are you?
No, 5'4".
Yeah. You
Yeah,
have
this
to
one's
have
gonna
it.
be-
Have it a
It's
little bit.
definitely really long on you.
So this one is more serious.
It's more fitted. It's for the brides to have like beach wedding.
Yeah.
It has less trains.
I like this one, but I think I like
The first one better?
More like
Yeah.
my style.
Yes.
Like princess. Like.
Yeah, this one's different. I love this.
I like this detail.
This one is off shoulder sleeves, and then it has like an A-line silhouette, and it has a slit at the front.
Yeah, this one has like the sexy part. I guess easier to walk with that,
in.
right?
Mhm.
These are
Bridesmaid's dress.
What if I want this one for
Yeah,
just like
yeah,
a
why
bigger
not?
wedding, right?
Definitely.
It comes in 13 colors. It's all on the website. You can check out what colors it comes in. So this is more of like the mustard, yellow, freesia color. So it's yellowy mustard. So it's nice for autumn, winter weddings.
Even summer.
Or summer and spring, actually. And what's nice about this dress is you can actually wear it after the wedding. You can wear it for different occasions.
So it doesn't, yeah.
This color is so popular now.
It is.
And it's so crazy that it has pockets, look. What about like a wedding dress with pockets?
We do have one.
Yeah?
A couple with one.
That's perfect. I really like this color. I think it's my color. For the season, it's perfect. For bridesmaid, or if you have an event, I think it's a great look and it looks very elegant. Well, they have so many dresses, I like them all. The first one was my favorite, for sure, but I don't know, the other dress, I really like the one, the mustard one, so pretty. I know it's not like wedding dress, but I really like it. The first one, for sure, with this style here, the neckline, it's just so pretty, and I don't know, all the styles I really like. I think I prefer the ones that have lace and just like beading. But for sure, if you want to come here and try dresses, you just have to go to the website, book an appointment, and they're gonna help you. They're very helpful. So you just have to come here to COCOMELODY here in downtown Manhattan and try the dresses that you want for your perfect wedding. I really like them, so you can go to my Instagram and see the photos as well. I'm gonna be uploading some of the photos, and of course you have to follow the brand on Instagram and Facebook, everywhere. I'm gonna leave everything below. Well guys, I'm gonna say that again, I'm not getting married anytime soon, but definitely you should visit their website, COCOMELODY.com. Beautiful, they have so many options, and I'm gonna be writing on my blog about just wedding dresses in general. I'm gonna be including some of the COCOMELODY gowns and all the trends for this wedding season. You know that summer is always like the wedding season, so don't forget to visit my blog, fashionfabnews.com. Follow me on Instagram, fashionfabnews, and just let me know which dress was your favorite. I think mine was the first one. And leave me a comment in the section below, the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'm Lina. Follow me everywhere. Until next time. Bye.